Collectibles today. This time we're gonna go 2 packets of 21-22 Dunross and then another box of Chronicles. Chronicles first. Stack in. There's 1,000,001 rookies. Let's open up. Quiet down the stairs, thank you. Oh, get rid of the packet. Start off with a Vukovic, Maxi rookie, Durant, Anthony Edwards rookie, Gordon Hayward Chronicle base, Pritchard rookie, Giannis, cards on tapes, rookie, Harden, not so quickly, rookie, not so quickly, rookie, Obi Toppin, rookie, Anthony Edwards, rookie, Wiseman, rookie, Melodon, rookie, Anthony, rookie, Malachi Flynn, rookie, and we've got a Lee Saban rookie, something different, Zion, Playbook, Vidya, rookie, Another Durant, Luka, Obi Toppin, rookie, Russell Westbrook, Green, Chronicles, another quickly, so that's a triple quickly, Green rookie, oh nice Crusade, pity about the player, Chad, oh Morant, nice. Chronicles. Melodon, Marquee rookie. Naismith rookie. Cora, Green, Chronicles rookie. Really? Corner damage. Moving on. Stuck into these Dunrosses. Open up both. Highly doubt I'm going to get anything good. Dunross most of the time is like bloody hoop. Sticky. Still a nice looking card, but alright. Let's get stuck in Porzingis. Base. Devin Vassell. Russell Westbrook. Fultz. Darius Garland, Horton Tucker, got a rookie, Josh Giddey rookie, very nice, been trying to get one for quite a while, and he's not exactly the cheapest on eBay. Yeah, Cora. Green wave. No, green numbered. Nope. What's all that? Jeez. Bouncing up and down. Harrison Barnes. Zach LaVine. Turner. Obi Toppin, Anthony Edwards, Buddy Hield, rated rookie. What the hell? Well, yeah. What can I say? There we go. Franchise Futures of Pascal Staples. So, give me 2 seconds. In the meantime, feel free to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Much as we don't have the biggest of hits on this channel, maybe in the future. Get a bit more support back there. A few more comments to help us get good layout, but honestly, this is just fun because when you're searching for something and then you get 2, you cannot complain at all. Very nice. Alright, so once again, please like and subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, enjoy.